Ever felt the pressure of a customer needing a refund and wondered how to handle it smoothly? Stripe makes refunding a breeze, and in this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step to keep your customers happy and your business running smoothly. First, log into your Stripe dashboard and navigate to the Payments section located on the left-hand side of your screen. This will display a list of all your transactions. Find the specific transaction you need to refund, either by searching the customer's name, email, or the transaction ID. Once you've located it, click on the transaction to open its details. Within the transaction details, you'll see a prominent refund button. Click on it. A refund form will appear here. You can choose the amount you want to refund. You can issue a full refund or a partial refund by entering the specific amount below that. Select the reason for the refund from the drop-down menu, such as requested by customer or fraudulent. Adding a note in the reason box is optional, but can be helpful for your records. Once you've entered the refund amount and selected a reason, carefully review the information, then click the refund button to confirm. Stripe will then process the refund and display a confirmation message. The customer will automatically receive an email notification about the refund. And that's it. Refunding with Stripe is a simple process that ensures customer satisfaction and efficient transaction management.